Alright, what's up guys? It's me, Packy, and welcome to the House Bowling channel. Today we have a Squid Game Bowling challenge, and I brought 4 of my friends out here to come and compete with me, against me, for a free tournament entry paid by the House Bowling channel. So hopefully I can come out on top, but if not, one of these guys is going to get a free entry. And don't forget to
subscribe to the mother channel.
Oh God! Oh, why was that so cool?
It's a big pass right there.
Brandon.
Ooh.
Like sit. I hit the 2 pin.
That's ours. You're gonna need to do some editing there.
Does that follow coach up the wall?
Yeah, as long as it just straight from this down.
1-1. I think it fell off the back.
Oh no.
See ya. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See ya. Go home.
Again, it's what it's supposed to happen.
We gotta make it simple.
Now we gotta make it 7.
Doesn't count. It's stupid.
2 pin fell. Yeah.
Perfect, that is. It's there.
How you feeling, big guy?
Rough spare attempt there for sure.
0 for 1.
Yep,
Hey, at least you're not dead.
absolutely.
I think it's impossible for me to miss the puck.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, well, the next one will be, we'll partner up, and we will fill 2 frames. I'll bowl with both. Oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
That's scary.
Alright, Cole, show them how it's done.
Big spare.
Definitely shooting straight
Leaving
at
you
it.
some righty bullshit here.
Why is it actually tighter? Full face?
No!
See, I won it.
I don't know what I wanted.
I won.
Come on, you got it.
That 5 pin was very sturdy there. Very sturdy 5 pin.
Oh my God, he's
Very
got it
sturdy
straight. What a guy.
Let's see chop the bullet.
Is it actually? What? What? So now what?
Can't believe.
Alternate shots.
Yeah, you should go first.
Jesus.
Don't leave it spare here.
Nitwit.
Leave him some.
Throw it. Don't watch down this lane.
Oh, shot. Throw it right. Match made in heaven.
Yours better. Yours better.
The lanes are just that nice.
Step on them fresh.
Now do that right.
Thanks. Show me the way, guys.
Yeah, way to get 6.
If you guys want a leg up on the competition like I got, use a Magnum Bowling Products Immortalizer like this red one I got right here. They come in plenty of colors, and what they do is they maintain the coefficient of friction, the durometer reading, as well as the footprint that your bowling ball makes on the lane. You can get these in all sorts of colors from red, green, gunmetal. They have a variety of colors on their website, magnumbowlingproducts.com, as well as you can check out their YouTube videos up here on Magnum Bowling Products YouTube page.
Go.
That's so
God, why did we all miss?
Cheater!
I'm winded. Yeah, congratulations. I hope you guys know if I don't win, it's gonna be a problem. Cold, there's still a chance.
Wait, start over.
Has to start over. What? Start over?
Yeah. I thought you had to get another strike.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, and run down again.
Do it. Come on.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ryan versus Colton.
Hey!
Here we go. Please both of them, right? Oh!
Live or die, baby! Live or die!
What a comeback!
Live or die!
That was close too.
Damn.
Strategy!
This challenge gonna be a little slower paced. This one's gonna be the last one to strike with a 10-pound ball gets eliminated. So we're all just gonna throw one shot at a time in order. It's not gonna be a race. Let's see my face. Chance to shut him out here.
My kids are sweating.
Could be one and done.
It's not fair. You have to find a ball that fits your thumb.
It fits.
Then throw it one-handed. Be a true. You're already handicapped.
Read.
Nice shot there.
Do it.
I did it.
All right, now let's try.
It's really hard to get.
If you get 5, you should be eliminated.
Oh wow, we get
Wheeling it.
We all strike.
And then it was coming off my thumb.
Like a tangerine thumb you got.
Easy. Easy money.
There, I can win this.
Flat.
Come on.
Try going with the straight approach. Oh.
Yeah. You can beat me arm wrestling.
Yeah, that's why I didn't put a wrestling competition in. Yeah, I knew I did that.
Should I do the break?
Oh.
Break. Very nice.
Shame. Shame.
Shame. Oh, I always do. I just right down like that. All right, so this challenge is a half game, 5-frame match between me and Kep, and as I stated in the intro, the winner gets a tournament entry.
He's going down.
Hate to see it. Need my ball. My ball.
So clutch.
Distractions can't mess with me.
Don't touch it.
Oh my god, watch out.
You doing match book?
One for the good guys. I'm gonna hit one.
That's one.
The Wichita windmill.
I didn't know that. I didn't ever do that.
Are we doing a 2-block maximum?
I like that.
I like
That's
that.
how we do the brother for the third one.
Jesus Christ. I didn't want to fucking throw the ball because I knew that would fucking work. I thought I was going to destroy Cam's ankle because I did not think he was going to be able to hold it. And then I threw it fucking slow. And he almost got fucking ruined.
Yeah, this is really welcome, Cap.
Thank you.
Heavy focus. What?
Easy.
That's why you got to be close to that
Easy
one right there.
Stay focused.
Guess they just don't like you, Packy.
Yeah, no, I just didn't want to hurt Cam, and I almost did anyway, so.
Show up.
Ice in his veins. Ice in his veins. Cap, you look like the Slender Man that went to Gap.
I need this one. This is huge.
That was pretty good for a guy who's wearing boys medium shorts.
They're actually a youth small.
Packy, you look like a used car salesman that lost his job and his wife in the same day.
Oh my God. No! So you're saying there's a chance. Ball in hand. Ball in hand.
I think he's allowed one mulligan.
I agree. They're petitioning for a mulligan. I disagree. If anybody was going to get a mulligan, it was going to be Cam on the first shot of the day.
It's okay, practice them for an hour beforehand so he deserves to miss them.
Speaking of missed 10 pins.
Yowzers!
Oh my god.
Oh, ow!
Ah!
Ow!
Hey buddy, the morgue is mighty cold, just so you
Cam, you're not the only one.
It's not lonely, but it is cold.
That's good there. Real good.
Oh boy.
Well,
Hit 9.
maybe 3. Maybe.
You want me to tell?
dribbler.
That one always strikes.
Always. Okay, let's.
Let me just set that right there.
Come on.
He's so bad.
And I hit a towel on the lane.
I tried.
They can't mess with me enough.
Wiener.
I don't know how that didn't balance.
Wins it. Thanks for watching this edition of the Bowling Squid Games. I brought 4 of my friends out here. I was lucky enough to come out on top. Yes, that was real. I was lucky enough to come out on top and win myself a free tournament entry paid for by myself. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment anything down below that you guys want to see. If you have any fun challenge ideas, comment those down below. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.